Yo, take a look at this. Echoes of the Forgotten. Wait. Did we choose Echoes of the Forgotten? I think we're like at 44%. I'm just taking the majority as an example here. Most likely, Echoes of the Forgotten is going to be. It's going to be the thing we're going to be focusing here for the next, say, 7 months. Good 7 months, buddy. And we're gonna pitch it to Nintendo. Maybe. Ah, maybe it's just too much. Ambitious. Anyways, look at the inventory, guys. Give me some ideas, because I don't want to take over inventory. Right now, buttons do nothing. Awesome graphics we got going on here. I mean, so what are we doing? Are we gonna use keyboard also with mouse? And then, oops, you came across a key. Collect key. Bah. I don't know. We're gonna make a GTA game, a two-dimensional GTA. I mean, anyway, so when you come across something, do you want text to come across the screen or at the bottom, like RPG style? I don't know. So that's what the experimental branch is all about. Make a bunch of little snippets, see if we can take ideas from there, and then just commit to the branch. Yes, commit to the branch. Anyways, help, because this game is just getting a little boring.